you're wondering where to begin your medical journey, I can tell you that our university is a place where people are transformed. Welcome to the Medical University of Warsaw. We're here at the Educational Centre, where students can calmly prepare for their classes and exams in a quiet place with all the materials that they need. Hey guys. Oh, yeah. Thanks to our university's modern equipment, we can help our imagination better understand the structure of the human body. And remember, if you want a beautiful smile, you must remember to take care of your teeth. And now we're where theory meets practice. Practical classes at our university are a lot like real rescue operations. That's why we're truly prepared for what awaits us after graduation. The Pediatric Hospital located on our campus is where many of us have our first clinical placements. We learn from the best and we work with real patients. The university's location is a great advantage, and good public transport makes getting around the city very easy. At our university, we have a modern sports hall too, where we achieve our first victories. Here at our university, life is more than just studying. We take care of our fitness too. Sports, climbing, and swimming, it's all within easy reach here. The Medical University of Warsaw is more than just a school. It's where learning meets passion and where every day brings us closer to becoming doctors. See you in Warsaw!